So I'm going to show you how to switch between landscape mode and portrait mode when recording on your Insta360 Luna Ultra. Now, swipe down and then you want to tap on this icon here. Now this icon will switch to portrait mode, as you can see. So now whenever I record, I'm going to record in portrait mode, and you can even bring the screen like this, and it's not gonna turn off the camera because you are seeing the preview in portrait mode and recording in portrait mode. Now I'm just going to go back to that particular menu item. If I swipe down and go back there, there's this option called adaptive portrait or landscape shooting mode. Now with this mode, basically it adapts. So if the screen is in landscape mode, the camera will shoot in landscape mode, and if the screen is in portrait mode, it's going to change and shoot in portrait mode. So that's the adaptive way of doing it. Now if I swipe down and tap on that again, it goes back into landscape. And in landscape mode, of course, you just shoot in landscape mode, and when you put your screen in portrait, again it powers off the camera. So that's the way to change between portrait mode and landscape mode. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and good luck.